Edutech series. In this video, I will walk you through the basic on how to use Canva for graphic design. So let's see how to create. So a free account allows us to use many templates in Canva and store up to 1 GB. So all you have to do is you have to log in by using your existing Google account or Facebook account, or you can also sign up by using any other email. So I will log in by using a Google account. Okay, at the top you can see some templates and also some tutorials available. And at the side panel, you can see your designs, all your designs that you have created previously. So I will show you one important features in Canva, which is the photo editing features. So when you click at photo editing features, you are able to see some tutorials on photos editing available. And when you scroll down at the bottom, you will see some resources on font combination. Most of the time, you will find it difficult to find a suitable combination for our graphics. Canva will help us to design the graphic and allow you to choose the right combination for it. So we can select the font that we want to use. And Canva will give you the combination for the selected font together with the sample. And the second resource that I want to share is on the color palette generator. Color palette generator allows us to choose the right color based on the photos or based on the palette combination given by Canva. So we will see how you want to choose the color based on an image. So let's say you have an image and you like the colors in the image. You can upload the image and Canva will suggest the color combination that is available in the image. And you can take note on the codes to be used in your graphic design later. Or you may also explore on the color combination which is available under Canva. So this will be very useful, especially if you want to decide on the color combination that you want to use for your graphic design. So now let's go and design an image or a graphic by using Canva. I will click on Create a Design. And you will see a list of graphics that you can design by using Canva. For this tutorial, I will use one sample, which is YouTube thumbnails. All the graphics that you want to design by using Canva, by default, they will have a list of templates that is already available for us to use. And there are many free templates, and you will be seeing the free templates by putting a mouse over and there will be a status free. So these are free for you to use. And the first thing that I'll do is I will rename my graphic. And I will start to design my graphic by using the features that is available in Canva. So I have templates. I can also upload some images, and the uploaded images can be reused for all your projects later. Photos that is freely available in Canva, and elements that is available like frames, shapes, gradients. All this you can use. And you can also put some tags over the image upload some videos, or change the background. So I will show you one sample by using a template. So I'll click on the template and I will see here there will be template for music, food and tutorials and many more. I will click on tutorials and I will select the design that I like. Example this. So once you have selected, you may choose to edit the template. So we can click on each of the elements in the template, example background, and we are able to change the color of background. And text, you are able to change the type, font type, font size, color, and change the content of the text. You can also change the spacing in between the text by clicking at 3 dots here, more, and change the spacing. So once you're done, you can move around and you can further edit others. If you made any mistake, you can always undo back. And if you want to add any images inside the template, you may do so by uploading the image. So like here, I already have a Canva image. I can also use the Canva image or any other images or my own image inside. So you can remove your background image by using other online tools. Check out my channel to how to remove the background from the image. So once you're done, you can click on download. Suggested format will be PNG. You can choose JPEG if you want and click on download. So it will be downloaded and you can use it later. Okay, the next one will be if you want to create using your own design. So just add another one more page. So here you can change the color if you want by clicking at the image. Click on the colors, change the color. You can add on some blocks of elements inside, some shapes if you want. And you can change the colors. You can add some text. So if you're using the template text, you can remove some of the text that is not needed. Adjust accordingly. You may add some images like Canva logo. Adjust the logo. You can also add some shadow text. Click on the text. Add the text. Copy the same text again by Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And assign color for your shadow. Change the color. Bring it over so that you can see a shadow effect for your text. You can also add some frame features in your design. So there's frame features here that you can add on under elements. So if you see here, there's letter frames and also frames. So I will show you one sample for letter frame. So if you want to use a letter frame, choose the alphabets or letter, go to the photos, choose the photos that you want to bring it over. Bring it over until you see the image and you have the image inside the frame. Or you can also use simple frame features. That is available in Canva. So additional to this, you can also do a simple animation by clicking animate. And you will be able to see some free animation available. The one with the crown, you have to have a pro account. So you can use one of the animation if you want. And once you're done, you can click download your design. So animated one, you have to download by using video type. Select on the page that you want to download and click on download. So this will be your downloaded video which you can use in your presentation. So it will be in the format of animation. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button below for more tutorial updates.